Ayun, nandito nga pala ako sa burol ng lolo ko, which is located in Navaliches, QC. This is the outside port. Along, ano lang te, along Quirino Highway. So, yun. Even if it breaks my heart, I have to face it. Kasi at the end of the day, it's gone. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. Well, it hurts. It hurts pretty bad, but it is what it is. Kasi ganun talaga. People come and go, and there's nothing we can do about it. We just have to face the fact that, you know, we can never have him back unless we expand our horizon, like we go out of our comfort zone. Siguro I can find him on his next life. But due to my current condition, siguro mahirapan akong mangyari yun. Well, I'll do my best to make it happen. To, you know, for me to see him again, and then hopefully they became friends or something. Oh, ganun talaga. Pero I believe lilipat lang naman yung kaluluwa niyan sa ibang tao eh. That was life was about. And siguro naman sulit na yung 88 years of existence. Ako nga 23 years old pa lang, pero naboboard na eh. I once hope na sana, you know, bad things happen to me, or Lord take me. Pero well, it's not my time yet. And ayan, tahimik rito. Ako lang mag-isa. Tingnan nyo, ayan siya. Actually, nandun yung pamilya ko sa loob. May kwarto kasi rito. Nandun rin yung tito ko. Ako lang mag-isa rito. Pero goods lang kasi, well, lolo ko naman yan. Saka I don't care if he will follow me outside of this funeral homes. Mas okay nga yun eh. He'll still by my side eh. Kasi I wasn't able to fulfill his wish na madalaw siya when he was alive. That was my biggest regret out of my life. Yung madalo lolo, makita siya ng huminga for the last time. Kasi I've been so caught up with my job, didn't see what's going on. Yun, dami kong na-miss na opportunity sa buhay dahil sa pagiging selfish ko, sa pagiging workaholic ko. Wala lang, hindi ko lang talaga sila mababalik na. Kasi they happen, and once it happened, well, there's no turning back. Pero okay na rin kasi mahirapan na rin siya sa hospital, daming tinuturok sa kanya. Siguro it's better that this happened. Kasi wala naman rin kwenta yung hospital na pinagdalan sa kanya. Hindi nga siya nagamot ng maayos, tas laki pa ng bill. Ewan ko kung, you know, legitimate doctors yung tumingin sa kanya or something. Pero wala eh. Hindi na nga na-heal, tangina, tas ang laki pa ng bill. They all about money, not saving lives. Well, I get the fact na when your time has come, it'll come. Pero tangina, hindi man lang nila tinry i-revive, tapos they keep billing us. What the fuck? Ano yun? Diba? Ang unfair naman ng ganun. Well, ganun talaga. Kung mahina ka, wala. people will take advantage of you. Kaya kailangan in this society or nowadays, well, hindi ka mahina, or you can stand up for yourself para, people won't take advantage of you. Kaya ako, I'm trying to be assertive as much as I can, so people won't take advantage of me. Kung meron man, well, I'll stand up for myself para, at the end of the day, they will find out na I'm not fooled. Actually, it became my defense mechanism. That's why I'm alone for like more than a year now, since my first breakup. And also, a lot of bad things happened to me during this month, September. First one, I lost my lovely dog. We lost our lovely dog. Second one, tangina na, bakit lolo, tatay ko na nawala. Last year, nawala yung first broke out. Tapos ngayon, dalawa nawala. Okay, ng September yan. Sana next year, iba naman. Masyado ng worse eh. Pag hindi umukay to next year, buburahin ko sa kalendaryo itong month na to. Okay na. Pasensya na sa nagpa-birthday sa month na to. Pero putang ina. Visit ako. Okay, cut ko na nga to. Wala na ako masabi. Well, forgive me with my language. I just want to